Alright guys, Tech Bravo on Project Odin again. I took the bed out. I did not do a video on that. There are 5 screws. There are 5 screws on the factory bed. This is bolted down. I can't even get to the bottom of it. So what I did was just undo these 5 screws and work this bed out. And then I had those big standoffs and I was able to unscrew them by hand. All the screws fell through, and then I used a magnet on the end of a string to retrieve them. So we're gonna go over cutting back this exhaust today. So I'm gonna try to get my stuff out of the way as much as possible. So this is 2 pieces. There's a spot weld here and a spot weld here. There may be a few more. The top piece is bent, the bottom piece is flat. So the way I did it on my other one, and I think it'll work the same way, is you can take a Dremel and cut right across, cut the edges, and then break the top piece off, and it will give you access to get to the bottom without having to come underneath. So at least that's what I'm going to hope for. And always wear protective eyewear. I'm gonna do this too, just because my hearing's bad enough as it is, and I hate loud screechy noises. So we're gonna cut that out of there. All right. I bought one of these flex cables for my Dremel. The main reason is because I broke the lock button out of it and I needed to renew that function. So that was a relatively inexpensive way to keep my Dremel and not have to buy a new one. So, and plus I like it a lot better this way. So let's just cut the thing. One thing I failed to mention is, and I don't have it hooked up right now, but on Cyclops, I actually turned the exhaust fan on and let it suck a bunch of that mess out instead of blowing it all over. But I'm going to take this outside and blow it out anyway, so I think it'll be fine. This is how I did it last time. This one may be built better. There they go. There they go. Come on now. There's one. There we go. All right. There's those 2. The modulus of elasticity of those welds is about like a paper clip. So actually, once you get a couple of them loose, you can just wiggle them and they'll come loose. So now we can continue and just come straight across for the bottom. And I'll probably have to get another wheel. These are the Easy Lock, and they are much better. All right, let's finish. There we go. So now I'll just put on a sanding wheel and dress that up and clean it up. It's not perfect. I don't know exactly how perfect I'll get it, but I'll get it better than it's looking now. And that's all you got to do to get the exhaust port cut back. More to come next time from the global headquarters of Bravo Technologies. Be sure and check out the site, lasergods.com. Until next time, Tech Bravo out.